And welcome to this edition of CPSB-TV. I'm Terrian.
And I'm Jaidyn. Coming up in today's show, students, if you aren't needing anything from clothing to hygiene products, we have the story about an on-campus resource to help you.
And do you have an interest in drones? We'll take you inside a new class offered at College Street this year.
Plus, you can show your school pride by trying out for the cheer team. We'll connect you with a squad recruiting new members. Our top story today, it can be hard for some students to get what they need for school, whether it's uniforms, supplies, or even hygiene products to use at home.
CPSB-TV reporter Lavontai Rious shows the school supply and hygiene closet here at College Street Vocational Center.
Drawers of supplies fill these filing cabinets in Counselor Terry Shaw's office.
We've been very fortunate that Dewana's Closet has a program where they will get us the things that we need for our students. So if a student has something that they need as far as pants or shirts, or maybe they've had a bad day and they couldn't provide that day, then we have some things on hand, but we can also order things through Dewana's Closet and get those things that our students need free of charge.
With the help of Dewana's Closet, our school has been able to help students in need by providing uniforms, hygiene supplies, and other specific items students may need.
We have all kinds of supplies. We have school supplies. We have cleaning supplies. We have soaps. We have some personal hygiene supplies. We have deodorant. Like I said, the school supplies. We have toothbrushes, just general supplies that a student may need to make it through the weekend, or maybe, they've had an issue at home and they've had to leave home unexpectedly, or maybe things are just tough right now and they ran out of something. Then we have those things that I can get to them until things get a little better, or if they need a backpack, anything like that, we can request extra things as well.
Ms. Shaw says she can get a range of clothing sizes, backpacks, and more.
I think we can get just about anything. I can get shoes, I can get belts, I can get shirts, pants, all of those things. And basically the things that you would need, they do offer food for those students that may need food. So in case there's a student that would need a food basket, those kinds of things, we can get all of those things to make sure that kid is having a successful school year.
So you may be asking, how can I connect with these supplies? Any staff member here at school can help out.
They can actually talk to their teachers. The teachers all know what's in here, and they can also come to my room, which is just right down from the office, and they can request those things through me. They can request those things through the front office, or they can speak to their instructors and their teachers here on our campuses, and they can relay that information to me as well.
Reporting for CPSB-TV, I'm Lavontai Rious.
That's actually a really great resource. Students can request items anytime throughout the school year.
Today, we take a closer look into the emergency medical technician class offered here at College Street Vocational Center. And what's new this year?
I had the cool opportunity to go inside the $100,000 ambulance simulator to see the hands-on learning students are experiencing. The ambulance simulator gives students a more detailed look on what's to come if they pursue the emergency medical field. The hands-on experience puts students under pressure to make sure they get the job done.
Put that seat collar on him.
My favorite features so far are how similar it is to a real ambulance. Like things are placed the same, the cabinets in the same spot, the bench, the stretcher. I like it.
For those of you who drive, you can understand that the Lake Charles area can get very busy. Because of the ambulance simulator's ability to move and bounce around as if it were a real moving ambulance, the shaking and bounciness of it can really get students into more of a real-world feel, while learning and practicing their skills.
What sticks out to me the most inside is just how it feels on the side and how it's bouncing, how it's actually going to feel when you're going down a highway to answer a call.
So the way that students learn through this simulator is we put them in the back of this ambulance and we put them into real-world scenarios. We play noises for them. They have visual disturbances, and we put them in the same amount of pressure, under the same amount of pressure that a real EMT in the field would be under, so that we make sure that when the students graduate, they are able to handle the pressure that EMTs are expected to be under.
Being inside the ambulance simulator was cool, especially when it was moving. It really felt like I was really in the environment.
That sounds fascinating.
Something else that's new at College Street this year is a class that's teaching students how to fly drones.
CPSB-TV reporter Luke Hargrave introducing us to the drone instructor and his friends.
In this new class, kids are being taught how to fix and fly drones.
Trying to teach them that drones are becoming more and more prevalent in our society, and there's a whole bunch of opportunities for them after they get their certification from this class.
The students also seem to enjoy this class.
I'm going to go in the military and hopefully use the skills I learned here to carry over there.
It looks fun, but is this class really worth it?
As you can see, a lot of drones are being used for different uses around Lake Charles as a whole right now. Military operations, there's a whole lot of opportunities for the students after they get their certification, and there's no limits to what they can do after they leave this class.
It is entertaining to me, and I enjoy it.
This class passed with flying colors. Reporting for CPSB-TV, I'm Luke Hargrave.
Students who complete this course and pass the FAA test will earn their Part 107 commercial drone pilot license.
Every year, the highlight of the Calcasieu Theatrical Arts program is the Spring Musicals performance. This year's musical is already promising to be magical, as CPSB-TV reporter Kayden shows us with the auditions.
I'm here at LaGrange High School where kids from Calcasieu Theatrical Arts are auditioning for the new musical, Aladdin Jr. Kids from Barb, LaGrange, Sam Houston, and Bell City had the opportunity to audition for this musical. I had a chance to talk to one of the directors about this upcoming show. Here's Miss Shelley Buller.
The audience can truly expect to be amazed. The talent here in Calcasieu Parish is just remarkable. Awesome singers, awesome dancers, vocalists, actors. Then also when you pair that with the production value, the really cool lighting, the effects, they're going to truly feel like they had a taste of Broadway.
I talked to 2 students auditioning for roles, and they said
they're going to expect very fun music, lots of dancing. It's going to be an emotional roller coaster. You're going to fall in love, you're going to be happy, you're going to be sad, and you're going to be cheering. It's going to be lots of fun.
I'm really excited to work with not only different schools, but you know, just learning different dances, different types of dance, and just working with people that I enjoy being around.
I'm looking forward to being a part of this show, too. Reporting for CPSB-TV, I'm Kayden Fontaine.
The cast was recently announced, and students are gearing up to showcase their talents.
Across Calcasieu Parish, we have some of the best high school music organizations. If you heard the LaGrange Gator Band perform lately, you've probably noticed a different sound and yet a different vibe. I found out what's behind those changes.
Hi, I'm Rob Post. I am the Director of Bands at LaGrange High School. We, of course, have our famous LG Marching Band. We've been on a steady upward path, growing, playing more complicated, advanced music. What I like about this organization, it gives me an outlet to share with young people everything I've learned over my 30-plus year career in music. Of course, we're known for our marching band, and we do great things there, but this band can turn on a dime. It can fit any style of music that you want, whether it be full-on classical, pop music, jazz, you name it.
Band has always been sort of a place that I could relieve my stress. So being in this band really helped because I also like how we are a family and we kind of do that together.
We're family, and family sticks together, family has problems together, and we resolve our situations together. We are unstoppable, we're unmovable, and we're always going to be in the spotlight because we strive for the stars. We don't try to stay at the bottom. We're shooting higher than anybody else, and we want this more than anybody else.
You see them on the sidelines, the smiles, the hype, the energy. Cheerleaders are the vibe of some of our schools, but you might not know the hard work that goes into that behind the scenes. CPSB-TV reporter Cormier takes us to practice to see what it takes to become a LaGrange cheerleader.
I am coach and math teacher at LaGrange High School. I like to impact the lives of young students, teach them different things. I think it's more of that, making that rapport and building that rapport with the students. You can get a lot out of impacting lives in different communities.
Let's turn it up! T-U-R-N-I-T-U-B. Let's turn it up! T-U.
Being in cheer actually made me gain a lot of friends. It made me come out of my shell even more. Because if I wasn't in cheer, I wouldn't talk to no one. I'll be extra quiet like I was before.
It gives you responsibility, and you know how to run a team, and in case you have any type of leadership in the future, you'll know what to do.
If you're a LaGrange student and want to try out for cheer, there's another round of trials in November to cheer for basketball season.
If you're driving through a stretch of Jeff Davis Parish, you may notice a special new dedication to honor a hero. CPSB-TV reporter Leo Bowman was at the dedication to honor the life and legacy of his great-grandfather, William Mercantile.
It's a big deal. So, you know, the community gets involved, these signs get put up, and they stay there for, you know, ever, and people get to, every time they pass them, they're going to be reminded of the importance of Mr. William Mercantile.
He was given a Purple Heart when he was injured. He also received 2 Bronze Stars, 1 Bronze Star with an arrow and a Silver Star. It makes me feel very proud. I'm really proud of my father and his whole generation. You know, they fought a war overseas, and they were patriots, and they were willing to go and ready to go.
An interesting fact about the Mercantile family: a member of their family has fought in every war of the United States has been involved in. We appreciate all of their service to our country. Before we wrap up, we have a lighthearted short film to show you.
It's a friendly reminder to never leave your kids unattended.
Let me go. Okay, bye.
No! 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 No!
Who is it? May I ask who you are?
I'm your son.
Oh my God.
We hope that gave you a good laugh and a lesson at the same time.
That's it for this edition of CPSB-TV.
Don't forget to follow us on all of our social media sites.
See you next time.